Continue.
Starting from centric, first we're going to be stationary. You're facing front the whole time. Then we'll go into rotation. We're going to cover the primary steps, which is front, side, and rear. Front, side, and rear. Front, side, and rear. Okay, just go ahead and go through it one time or two times. Okay, those are the primary directions. Secondary, you have the angles. We're going to start off with open angles. Your right into your right field, left into your left field. In front, and then you have behind too. It's important that you get those diagonals accurately. Everybody hear me?
Yeah.
Open angles. Your right into your right field, left into your left field. In front, and then behind. If I freeze or you need me to re-say something, let me know. So we have the open angles. Now we have the closed angles where you're crossing over the body. You might recognize this, the Apache or the Indian step. Go through those a couple times just to feel. Make sure your feet are accurate. Closed angles where you're crossing over the body, the Apache or the Indian step.
So just a quick question. So when you're doing secondary, you're just going out. But when you're doing tertiary, you're like crossing.
Correct. Think of it as opening and closing. Here you're open, here you're closed. We're going to separate the two. Okay, and then cross over in front. So let's go through them all again. Primary, secondary, and tertiary. Primary is the cardinal directions, north, south, east, and west. Primary, secondary, in the diagonals. Going to tertiary is the third, crossing, and diagonals behind you. Let's go through it all at once. All right, 5, 6, 7, 8. Front, front, side, side to the rear, and rear. Open angles in the diagonals behind. Okay, and crossing over, tertiary. Boom, boom. All right, 5, 6, 7, 8. Front, front, side, side to the rear, and rear. Now open angles in the diagonals. Let me know if I'm going too fast. Behind. Okay, and crossing over, tertiary. Boom, boom. Real simple.
Mm-hmm.
That is centric, stationary, those all the directions that you can step that are mathematically aesthetic. You're either stepping in front or you're stepping in the diagonal. This looks good. But if you're stepping here, it doesn't quite look good. You know, it's not as pretty as if you're accurate. This model actually calibrates your style and corrects it. Okay, now we have rotation. Remember 4 things. 4 square, 3 triangle, 2 line, and 1 dot spot. Dance.